Hello students, today I am here with the solutions of the questions based on the story Magical Pond, page number 25. So let's start. The question is, in the middle of a pond, there is a bright pink lotus and the number of lotuses doubles every day. That means if today there is 2 lotuses, tomorrow 4, next day 8. In that way, the numbers will increase. So after 30 days, the question says after 30 days, the pond is completely covered. So if the pond is completely covered by lotuses on the 30th day, how much of it covered by lotuses on 29th day? Because 29th day, if 4 lotuses are there, 30th day 8, and here 30th day the pond is completely filled. That means 29th day the pond will be half covered, because half become full on the next day. So 29th day the pond will be half covered with the lotuses. Now the question given, what we have to solve? The question given is, write the number of lotuses in exponential form when the pond was, first question, fully covered. Fully covered, it is given on the 30th day, it is fully covered. Okay, I am giving answer based on this. 30th day, it is fully covered. And we have to write how many number of lotuses on that day in exponential form. So day 1, first day, there was 1 lotus. And this one we can express in exponential form as 2 raised to 0. Because any quantity raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 0, 1. 3 raised to 0, 1. 4 raised to 0, 1. Any quantity raised to 0, 1. So this 1 I can write as 2 raised to 0. Now second day, this 1 become 2. 2 lotuses will be there. And this we can write as a power 2 to the power 1. Now third day, 2 becomes 4. And 4 we can write it as 2 square. Because 2 square is 2 into 2. Now fourth day, this 4 become 8, because it is given in the question, number of lotuses doubles every day. And so this you can write 2 cube. So you can notice one thing, when the number of day 4, power of 2 is 3, and when the number of day 3, power of 2 is 2. That is number of day, when it is 4, it becomes 3. So if it is going like this, on the day, 30th day, that is day become 30, then number of lotuses will be 2 raised to 29. 2 raised to 29 lotuses will be there on 30th day. Second part of the question is, number of lotuses when half covered. Half covered is on 29th day. So day 29, what is the number of lotuses? That also, when the day 29, power of 2 become 1 less than 29. That is 2 raised to 28. That will be the answer. That is 2 raised to 28 lotuses will be there. That is the answer of second part. And this is the answer of first part. When it is fully covered, then it is on 30th day. It is given in the question, 30th day it is fully covered. On that day, according to this pattern, 2 raised to 29 lotuses will be there. And half covered means the previous day. It is on day 29. On that day, number of lotuses will be 2 raised to 28, 1 less than this number. Here when it is 29, it become, power become 28. When it is 30, power become 29. When it is 4, power become 3. So to find this answer, first you have to start from day 1. Then looking at that pattern, you will get the answer very easily. So I hope all of you understood this question. Now we will discuss next question. Question is m raised to a multiplied with n raised to a, that is equal to mn whole raised to a. Here you can see the power is same and it is given separately, so we can write it as a common power m into n whole raised to a, because in both the cases power is same. Now use this observation to compute the value of 2 raised to 5 multiplied with 5 raised to 5. So we can find the answer 2 raised to 5 multiplied with 5 raised to 5. Here you can see power is same, so we can write it as a common power, that is 2 into 5 whole raised to 5. That means 2 into 5 is 10, 10 to the power 5, and 10 to the power 5 we can write as 1 with 5 0. That will be the answer. Otherwise 10 raised to 5 you can multiply and find answer 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That is 10 is repeating 5 times, and when you multiply also you will get the same answer 1 with 5 0. Here one more 0 is there. 5 0. 1 with the 5 0. If the power is 10 to the power 5 means 1 with the 5 0. 10 to the power 3 means 1000. And 10 to the power 4 you can write it as 1 with the 4 0, that is 10,000. So this is the answer. Now next one, simplify 10 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 4. This question is 10 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 4. This also we studied in exponential laws. If the power is given separately, we can write it as a common power, because denominator and numerator power is 4 only, so we can write it as a common power, that is 10 by 5 whole raised to 4. That means 10 by 5 is 2. 10 when you are dividing with 5 it becomes 2 times, so 2 raised to 4. And now we can find the answer. This answer we have to write in exponential form. So you check the question, you find the value, compute the value, then you have to find the normal answer like this. Otherwise you have to write like this only. So no need to find the normal answering. Exponential form you have to write answer. So I hope all of you understood this.